Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Teacher Tech for Dummies. After a lot of requests and comments, we're going to learn about the program Storyjumper, and I'm going to be doing a how-to tutorial on making a short story. But first, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to get up-to-date notifications when my videos launch. Okay, so Storyjumper is a free online program that allows you to make short stories. I love this website because it allows me to make stories that tailor to my students on current lessons we are learning. So this can be used for any education level, from kindergartners to high schoolers to universities. I love making this for my kindergartners because we can add my sight words, we can add spelling words, and we can just read a story for fun. So after making an account, since it is free, it's going to go ahead and take you to your home page. Your home page will list your classes, your books created, and the new books to read. I like these because sometimes if I'm crunched on time, I can go ahead and read these to my students. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make a book. You're going to go ahead and click on your first class tab. And right here you're going to have the next steps, 3 books, or people. Of course it says 3 because I have made 3 right now. Go ahead and press on the book tab. So right here it displays all your books. But we're going to go ahead and create a book. You're going to go ahead and press create a book. So there's going to be different options. There's going to be an individual book, groups, or a template. You're going to go ahead and press individual book, which is a single author. Multiple students can collaborate, which will be good maybe for high school schools or middle schoolers, that they can go ahead and learn to work as a team, learn to think together, and go ahead and publish whatever book they want. And a template is students can create your own template book and insert their own content, which is good. You can just insert names and I think of characters and everything, and it makes the book for you. So we're going to press individual book. When again, it gives you more options for books. You can have blank pages, ABCs, which might be good for little kindergartners for their sight words, all about me. You can use this for any grade level for your classes. It can be used for a first day, letting the students tell all about themselves, which would be nice. And it's being creative and thinking outside the box, and some of them might be shy, so this might be a good little outlet for them. So of course, you're going to make your own book today. We're going to go ahead and press the blank option right here. Okay, so it's going to go ahead and automatically give you 16 pages in your book. It's going to give you a front cover right here, a dedication page, and a back cover. So right here in these left-hand tabs, we're going to have the text, props, scenes, photos, and voice. I love recording my voice on there. I love adding music. I love adding sound effects. My kindergartners love it, and they go crazy for little sound effects. So here you go, and then at the very top right-hand corner, we're going to have your share your book, your publish, collaborate, and your little save and exit. So we're going to go ahead and start with the front cover. So the front cover automatically has your title page. You can add your title and then you can add your name. So right now it has a blue diagonal line pattern. We're going to go ahead and change that pattern. So you have different options and different designs. We're going to go ahead and press a swirl design. And blue, we're going to go ahead and stick with the Halloween theme since Halloween is coming up. Let's go ahead and do an orange cover. Oh, I like that. You can't really see the spine, so then maybe if we go this design. There we go. So we're going to go ahead and just click to add your title. Let's go to press. So automatically it gives you their set font. If you don't like the font, just go ahead and highlight your text. Click the font you want. We're going to go ahead with this Creepster since it is Halloween. And we're going to go ahead and change the color. Make sure your text is highlighted for the color. We're going to go ahead and do black. And let's go ahead and make it bigger right here since it is my title page. Now, if we go ahead and make it too big and the text box is not the same size, what you can go ahead and do is just drag your text box down and it will go to that size. Okay, now my text box moved a little bit to the side, as you can see. If you don't like that, just click on your text box again. This little hand, you're going to put your cursor on there and it will allow you to move your text around wherever you want. We're going to go ahead and center that. And of course, you're going to go ahead and tap in your name or your author. Oh, I'm sorry about that. And of course, we're going to go ahead and highlight the text. and keeping it with the same theme. I like to keep it the same theme just because I teach little kids and they will lose focus easily if another word is a different color than the other page. Okay, so this is going to be our front cover page. Now let's go ahead and go to our dedication. You don't have to have a dedication page if you don't want to. Obviously, this is to little for lessons or to your little kindergartners. Dedication page might not be appropriate, but of course, maybe if you're in high school and you have a project, you can go ahead and add your dedication page. Of course, you just click on it. I'm going to write to my 2020 students. And when you want to end it, you just press outside the text box. So to go ahead and click between pages, you can click on these arrows. You can click on the bottom, or of course, you can go ahead and click on the squares itself. So we're going to start with our first page. Our first page, we're going to go ahead and add a scene. A scene is going to be the background of the story, little photos and everything. So you're going to go ahead and press the drop down for scenes. And we're going to be sticking with the Halloween theme. But I don't really see any Halloween themes here. Not too bad. You're going to go ahead and press more scenes. And right here is popular because Halloween is coming up. But if you go ahead and search scenes, it will allow you to have different scenes. We're going to go ahead and press Halloween. And then we're going to go ahead and press what kind of scene you will like. I kind of like this one right here. And so you don't see it here. You can also click out over here, or you can click on this X right here. We're going to go ahead and click on the X. Now your scene automatically goes to the left-hand tab. Go ahead and press on that. And it automatically goes onto your page. You can press page 3 and press the same scene. But I don't really like this scene. If you don't like it, all you can do is just go ahead and press undo, and it will undo that action you did. So right here, we're going to go ahead and add a text box. Go to the text drop-down menu. And I think I'm going to go ahead and pick this one. But it went to page 3. Why did it go to page 3? Because I am highlighted in page 3. This purple line around the page means that's the page you're on. Not to fear, I think you can actually drag it onto it. But there we go. So you're going to go ahead and enter your text here. Which, depending on your text, you can go ahead and add your sight words, you can add your spelling words, you can add words in there that maybe you want your kids to learn. So this is really neat about this. Again, if you want to go ahead and just change the color of your text, let me go ahead and change the whole thing. And again, I'm going to be keeping with the theme for me. Okay, so this text box might be too big for my scene for when I want to go ahead and add props. It might be taking up too much space. So what I can do is I can just go ahead and size that down. And of course, if you put your hand right there where that little hand outline is, you can go ahead and move around your text. So the next thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and add a prop. So right here, you can go to the left-hand side again and add a prop. So these props are going to be characters, they're going to be objects, they're going to be places, they're going to be buildings, which is pretty neat. Right here we have a little boy playing with a truck, we have a barn, we have people. These are like little clip arts, which is pretty neat. They're so cute. I'm going to go ahead and add a cat because what is a Halloween without a cat? Obviously, we can see right there. And if I want to go ahead and size that up, you can size it up or size it down. If you don't like it, press delete, and we can go ahead and add something else. Go ahead and add this little house. Okay, so that's how you go ahead and add props. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make your own character. So I'm done with this page. I think this page is pretty good. I like it. I'm going to go to this next page. Again, just click on it, and you'll know you're on the page when the purple box is highlighted. I'm going to go ahead and add my scene again. I'm going to go to more scenes, Halloween. Let's try a different Halloween theme. Let's try a spooky cemetery one. You, of course, just press on your Halloween scene. It automatically pops up here. Now I'm going to show you how to design your own character. So it's under the props tab right on the bottom. It says design characters. This will let you pick and design your own custom characters. Might be good for your little kindergartners who want to go ahead and make their character about them. That will be so neat. So you have your hair, your eyes, eyebrows, mouth, glasses. You have clothes here. You can just go ahead and pick whatever options you want. The hair color, if you want it like that. But of course, they even have this random button if it's too time consuming. Press random. Of course, it did give me a girl with a beard. So, oh, let's get her because it looks like she's screaming because she's scared. So when you're done, press finish. And of course, your character goes right to that left-hand side again. So you're going to go ahead and press her. And she goes right to the top. Oh, this is perfect since she's in a cemetery. Okay, you can go ahead and press her here. So this is pretty neat. I love Storyjumper. I love to design my own stories. I love for the kids to be interacted with them. And I can even add their names in it or anything I want. So I really like this program. And of course, best of all, it's free. So you're going to go ahead and also here you can add your own photos. You'll just go to add photos and it takes you to your browse to upload your documents. Press browse and then you can upload your documents. And your voice. This is my favorite part of all. So right here, your voice you're going to record. You can record your voice, you can record your music, you can record sound effects, which I love. My kids go crazy for sound effects. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little quick sample of it. When you are ready, you press record. Hello, boys and girls. Are you ready to hear a spooky story for Halloween? So I'm recording my voice right here, and it's going to go ahead when you're done. Press stop recording. Here, you will know you are stopped recording when you see this blue arrow playback. You can go ahead and hear your voice. Pause it. If you want to add music, you press this blue button, this blue plus sign with sound effects. And I like music right here. If you want to test it out, just press the name. You can hear the violin playing. You want to add it, press add. You know you have it. For some reason, it won't let you add music and sound effects at the same time. If I try to add a sound effects like a cat, that's so cute. I think it might let you for a little bit. And we'll just go ahead and press play. So you can hear the music and the little cat during this time. So when you go ahead and like it, you go ahead and press save. And if you don't like pages, again, you can just press on the pages, delete page. Are you sure you want to delete it? Delete it. You can tailor if you want more page. I want to go ahead and add that page back. Add page, it's back again. So the next thing you have to do, which is very important, you spent time working on this, you're going to go ahead and just go to the right top hand corner and you're going to press save and exit. Okay, so after you save and exit, it automatically goes into your little book library that you've done. These are my past books. This is going to be the important part if you want to share your book to your parents for homework or just letting them read story time at home. It will give you your automated link. This link will take you right to the story. So we're going to go ahead and press on your book. When you send out that link, let me go back real fast. When you send out that link, you're going to go to press share with students. And this link right here is going to be the link that will take them to this page right here. And on this page, they can go ahead and just read your book. And you want them to listen to it, press listen. And then when you're done, you can just go ahead and press home and you can add more books if you want. So this is a little tutorial on the Storyjumper. Again, I love this free online program. I love that I get to customize. I love that I get to be artistic while also having my students engage. I hope you let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and until next time, be safe out there, teachers. Thank you.